So today I'm going to be showing you how to get to your Think Central math lesson. So your student has this same icon at the bottom of their screen. So they'll click it. This is their student portal. Mine's a little bit different because, of course, I'm on the teacher side of it. So when they bring theirs up, it'll show a bunch of little icons and apps that look kind of like this. Some of mine look a little bit different because I'm on the teacher side. But if you will, scroll down and find a blue one that says Think Central. Your student will click that. They will click Student. I am staff, so I'm going to click that. You will just give it a minute to load. Sometimes it will have a little lag. So just give it a minute to load. You can see where I've assigned assignments there. Theirs will look different. When theirs comes up, it'll say assigned by my teacher. And it will go ahead and show the assignment for that day. Mine, again, I'm on the other side, looks a little bit different. So on Tuesday, this is what they will see. They will come in here. They will not have all of this. They will have assigned by my teacher, and it'll have this link, and they'll click it. And it'll bring this up, and it'll walk them through the lesson. I will tell you, because we practiced in class before the break, that if they keep clicking this next arrow and they don't do every step of this, when you go out of the lesson, it will show in progress. It has to show green and say complete. So if it says in progress, it's because they skipped something. So have them go back until it is all the way complete. That way it shows as completed on my end. So they'll just go through the different questions that it asks. There are little cool things that they can use on the side. There's a toolbox that they can use, which we talked about, and I showed them how to use. So I hope you find this resource helpful. They really enjoyed it in class. If you have any trouble with this resource, please reach out to me, send me an email, or you can send me a remind message and I can help walk you through it. Thank you again for watching this tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions at all.